Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about 8051 microcontroller instruction set. Before entering the topic, first you know the concept of instruction set. What is instruction set? Instruction set means it sends some set of rules or commands to microcontroller to proceed any applications or any functions. It's called as instruction set. In this 8051 microcontroller, we are using the 49 number of instructions. In these instructions classified into 5 groups based on the functions. The first group of instruction is arithmetic group instruction, second one logical group, third one data transfer, and fourth one branch group, and final one is boolean instructions. These 5 groups instructions we will discuss in upcoming videos. First we concentrate on arithmetic group instructions. These are the list of instructions comes under the arithmetic group instruction. Addition function, subtraction, increment, decrement, increment DPTR, multiplication, division, and DAA. DAA represent decimal, adjacent, accumulator. These instructions we discussed in already in 8085 microprocessor and 8086 microprocessor, but the notation is different. First instruction, add addition of two register content. Any functions you need 2 point. One is the source point and another one is a destination point. Here this instruction add a comma or 0. In this instruction or0 is a source point and a is a destination point. Whatever value stored in or0 register, the content sum with accumulator content. The result is accumulator gives a plus or not. Or not is a register. This register hold one 8-bit value 03, accumulator content 02. Just adding the two register content 02 plus 03, the final result is 05. This content is stored to accumulator. So first two possibilities of addition instruction. And second type of addition instruction, add a comma direct. This direct is a label. So in this label it stores the direct address location. You rewrite the instruction add a comma 08. This 08 is a memory location. This memory location point internal RAM. This memory location it hold one 8-bit value. This value is 02. This content sum with whatever value present in accumulator, just adding the two content. For example, accumulator value is 04, adding the two content, you can get the result is 06. This result stored in accumulator. It's a second type of instruction. And third one, add a comma at the rate of or1. Here or1 is a register. This register hold the memory location because here using at the rate symbol. This R1 it hold one 8-bit value 08. This 08 is a memory location. In this memory location it hold the data is 03. This content sum with whatever value present in accumulator. Now accumulator content is 01. This 01 sum with memory location content 03. The final result 04. This content stored in accumulator. The last possibilities of instruction, add a comma pound symbol 03 H. In this instruction you can use the immediate data 03. This content sum with accumulator. Now accumulator value 04, just adding the two value, accumulator value plus immediate content. 04 plus 03, the result is 07. This content stored in the accumulator register. The second type of instruction, ADD C, a comma or 0. In this instruction ADD represent for addition function, this C represent for you take it as carry value, accumulator, then or not register. Here you adding the three content. The first content you can get from or not register plus accumulator content plus carry value. The result is stored in accumulator a plus or not plus carry value. Let us consider the carry value 1, or not content 05, a content 02. Just adding the 3 content, you can get the result 08. This content is stored in a accumulator register. Next one, add C a comma at the rate of R2. In this instruction, this R2 is a register. This register will hold the memory location, internal memory location 05. In this memory location, whatever content present, here the content is 02. This content sum with accumulator value plus carry value. Let us consider the carry value 1, accumulator content 2. Just adding these 3 content, the result is 05. This content load in the accumulator. The next possibility, add C a comma hash 03 hash. In this instruction, you can pause the immediate data in the instruction itself. Just adding immediate content, accumulator content plus carry register. Let us consider the carry value 1, accumulator content 3, immediate content 3. Just adding the 3 content, you can get the result 07H. This content load in an accumulator. The third instruction, subtract. SB, SUB, B, A comma or 4. In this instruction, SUB represent 4, subtract, B represent 4, you consider the borrow value, accumulator, then or 4. Subtracting the 3 content, the result is stored in accumulator, A minus or 4 minus carry. So carry or borrow. Okay. Accumulator content 08 or 4 04, borrow value 1. Just subtracting the 3 content, 8 minus 4 minus 1, the result is 03. This content load in a accumulator. The next one, SUBB a comma at the rate of R6. In this instruction also performing the same function, but the data is get from the R6. R6, it hold the memory location 7E. In this memory location, it has some data 03. This content subtract with accumulator content and borrow value. Borrow value, let us consider borrow value 1, accumulator value 9 and immediate data 3. 9 minus 3 minus 1, the final result 05. This content is load in the accumulator. Likewise, you can replacing the source values. Instead of R4, you can use the immediate value as any values. Fourth one, INC, increment. This instruction you can rewrite increment or not. Whatever value present in or not register, that content increment by 1. The result is stored in or not. Or not equal to or not plus 1. Whatever value present in or not, that content sum with plus 1. Or not value 05 plus 1. The result is 06. This content stored in a or not register. The next one, INC at the rate of or not. In this instruction, or not, it carry the memory location. For example, the memory location is 05. It hold the data is 03. First, you read the memory location and you get the data. In this data is increment by 1. After execution of this instruction, in this data is increment by 1. 03 plus 1. The result is 04. This content load in or not register. Fifth one, decrement, DEC. This instruction also similar to increment, but here you just subtract by 1, decrement by 1. Decrement or not, whatever value present in or not, this content is decrement by 1. Let us consider the or not value 08. After execution of this instruction, you just decrement by 1, 08 minus 1, 07. This content is loaded in a or not register. The next one, DEC at the rate of R5. In this instruction, R5 hold the memory location. I already told because here at the rate symbol is used. R5 hold the memory location. In this memory location, you carry the data 08. After execution of this instruction, the data is decrement by 1, 08 minus 1, 07. This content is loaded in a R5 register. Sixth instruction, INC DPTR. The previous instruction you considering the 8-bit register, but now you considering the 16-bit register. DPTR is a 16-bit register. Whatever content present in DPTR, that content is increment by 1. Before execution, the DPTR value 4203. After execution of this instruction, the DPTR value is 4204. Just increment by 1. Seventh instruction, MULAB. In this instruction, you have a direct multiplication. Multiply A comma B. Just multiplying the two content. One content you can get from B register and another content you can get from A register. A value 02 and B value 03. Just multiplying the two content, you can get the result 06. This content is stored in A register. And eighth one, DIV A and B. In this instruction, division of two register content A and B, just dividing the two content. A value divided by B. And ninth instruction, DAA. So DAA for decimal adjust accumulator. After doing any arithmetic function, addition or subtraction function, you can check the result, whether the result is valid BCD number or invalid BCD number. Let us consider one example. Add A comma R2. In this instruction, you consider the R2 value 18, accumulator content 78. Just adding the two register content. First, you write the binary number of 78, then 80. 7, 8, 1, 8. Adding the two content 0, 0, 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. It's an auxiliary carry. Triple 1, 1, carry 1, 0, 0, and 1. The result is 78 plus 18, 16, 96. 96 is the result, but after addition, here you can get 90. It's not a valid BCD number. You can convert the valid BCD number. Here you are using the two cases. The first case, case 1, auxiliary carry equal to 1 or lower 4-bit greater than 9. That's the first case. Case 2, carry equal to 1 or higher 4-bit is greater than 9. In this case, you can add plus 6. You can add plus 6 in both the case. The first case, add 6 value in lower nibble, and second case you can add plus 6 in higher nibble. In this example, it produces one auxiliary carry, but lower nibble value is less than 9. The first case is satisfied. You just add 6 in lower nibble 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Finally, we can get the result 96. So far we discussed the arithmetic group instruction. Rest of the instruction we will discuss in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.